When your carpet's in a mess, call ProCare.
Hey Middle Tennessee, John Browning with ProCare here, your textile and hard surface cleaning experts. ProCare is growing. If you take pride in your appearance, love to serve and help people, have a desire to be the best and want to learn a trade, ProCare is the company for you. We have competitive pay, which includes vacation and holiday pay, along with a group healthcare plan and a 3% matching simple IRA plan. ProCare also pays for all of your training and schooling in order to be a certified technician. Please email your resume to info@procareofnashville.com or give us a call at 615-221-4100.
When your carpet's in a mess, don't settle for anyone less. Call the company